Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a Piriformis stretch now, so this will get deep into the buttock. So bringing one ankle over the top of the knee as far as you can. So if you're more comfortable in this position, you can't quite get that knee down, that's fine, wherever you're comfortable. So from here, sitting up as straight as you can, and you're going to just push the chest forward and down. So we're going to try and avoid bending over the leg. We're going to just push the chest forward. This is a good way to do the exercise at your office, if you're sitting watching TV, those kind of things. So holding that for 60 to 90 seconds and then gently coming out of the stretch. So you can do this stretch to accentuate. You can actually push that knee down as well. For some people that'll be uncomfortable. It will open up the hip a little bit so you're getting a bit more mileage out of the stretch. Again, trying to avoid that bending forward through the back. Keep the back nice and straight. Keep the chest up and look straight ahead as you do the exercise. So we're looking at feeling that just down into the buttock there. Going to bring that leg across and then lean over that leg. So you're pushing into that leg, pushing the chest down, the hips down into the floor. You can rock in and out of that stretch a few times. Just challenging that end range as you go. If you need to, you can come up a little bit higher and work with that. That will change the stretch a little bit, so it's a good variation. Rock a few times and then settle into that stretch when you're comfortable. Another way to increase the stretch is to just walk that foot out behind you and then hold into that position. So if you're holding these stretches 60 to 90 seconds each side, do one side, then do the other one.